Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 11.4. It is fifth part of this exercise. Question number 8 is Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Now we solve it. Students, you see this figure. It is a square shaped box and it is a circular pipe. It is a cord that is wrapped on it, and after wrapping, cut from this part, and this cord is again wrapped on this squarish box. Now we solve in this way. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r, that is the length of the cord. Now value of r is 4. After solving it, we find 25.12 centimeter is the length of the cord. Now perimeter of a square box of side 4 centimeter is equal to 4 into side equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16 centimeter. Here we see that length of cord used to wrap on circular pipe is more than used cord on a square box, so she has some part is left of cord. Now remaining part of cord is equal to 25.12 minus 16.00 centimeter is equal to 9.12 centimeter cord is left. In this way we can solve this question easily. Question number 9 is the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find the area of whole land, the area of flower bed, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, the circumference of the flower bed. Here it is a rectangular shape and it is a flower bed. Radius of this flower bed is 2 meter and this rectangular shape whose length is 10 meter and width is 5 meter. Now we solve it. Length of rectangular lawn is equal to 10 meter and B is 5 meter. So area of whole land is equal to L into B equal to 10 multiplied 5 equal to 50 meter square. It is answer of first part of this question. Now second part, radius of circular flower bed r is equal to 2 cm. So its area equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 multiply r 2 square is equal to 12.56 meter square. It is the area of flower bed. Third part of this question, area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed is equal to area of lawn minus area of flower bed equal to 50 minus 12.56 meter square is equal to 37.44 meter square. And fourth part of this question, circumference of the flower bed equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 multiply 3.14 multiply 2 equal to 12.56 meter. That is answer of this question. In this way we can easily solve. Thank you.